guys, welcome back to Play with Art after so long. So today, on the occasion of Harry Potter reunion, we are going to paint a bottle. So first, I started by sanitizing the bottle because COVID. So to start off, I took a plain sheet to draw my basic design so that it would be easier for me to draw on the bottle. Over here you can see that I was trying to tape the paper inside of the bottle so that it was easy to retrace the basic design. Once you get the desired results, we will proceed to make the detailed structure or the design on the bottle. Now after some time, this was the final result of my retracing. Now let's proceed to the painting part. Now for the background, I decided to do a small gradient effect kind of thing. So for that, I took three shades, which was brown, a mustardy yellow and off-white color. For your information, this is my first time doing a bottle art. So for me, the most difficult part was the blending of the colors. This took me a while, but here's the end result of the background. Once the background is dried up, let's move on to the detailing part, which is the main crest, and let's go. Meanwhile, we are painting these little quadrants, which is the Slytherin, Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff, Gryffindor. Have you ever wondered which house do you belong to? Comment down below right now. Once the painting process was done, I retraced the borders, the lines, so that it would give a nice neat look. This is optional, but if you are a clumsy painter like me, then it's a must. Now I'm moving forward in making the small characters or the animals, whatever you call, in the symbol, and now here's the reveal. I hope this little tutorial of this nice decor helped you, and if you're a Potterhead, then this is a must. Do it right now and comment down below your results. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Stay safe, stay happy, and keep painting.